To make papier-mâché, you need flour and water. If you have salt, that will be helpful too. Add half a cup of flour to the pot. Add 1 cup of water. If you have some salt, add a nice heaping portion. This will help preserve it. I normally turn it upside down and just let some salt pour out into the mixture. Now use your hands to really mix it and make sure there are no lumps. Once you have it all mixed, boil it on the stove. You must let it come to a full boil because the heat brings out the starch. Make sure you keep stirring it as you're waiting for it to boil. You'll be able to tell when it's done because it'll start to boil, so you'll see bubbles. Also, it will become thick. Once it's thick and kind of creamy, it looks a little bit like cream of wheat or like pancake batter, then it's time to take it off the stove. Make sure you let it cool down because it'll be very, very hot.